Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we save you from making poor purchasing decisions because, let's face it, nobody wants to be the person who bought a vacuum that's more confused than a cat in a dog park. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the Lefant M210, and on the right, the XIEBro HR101. Let's see which one will make your cleaning woes disappear faster than your socks in the laundry. First things first, let's talk about the price. The Lefant M210 comes in at a wallet-friendly $199. Meanwhile, the XIEBro HR101 is strutting in at $269. That's a $70 difference. You could buy 70 tacos with that money. Or, a couple of fancy lattes. Your call. Both of these vacuums claim to be great for pet owners. The Lefant M210 is practically waving a flag saying, "I love pets," with its brushless suction port, which promises not to tangle your pet's hair. Reviewers agree, noting its effectiveness in picking up pet hair and its ability to reach under beds. The XIEBro, on the other hand, boasts a 3-layer filter system to capture all that pet dander. Reviewers find it quiet and efficient at picking up animal fur. So if you have a furry friend who sheds enough to knit a sweater every week, these vacuums have got your back. Now, size does matter, folks. The Lefant M210 is a sleek little number with an 11-inch diameter and a height of just 2.99 inches. It can sneak under your furniture like a ninja. Reviewers noted it effectively reaches under beds and other furniture. On the other side, the XIEBro HR101 is slightly slimmer at 2.89 inches, but who's counting fractions of an inch? Both will get under your bed, so no more dust bunnies plotting their takeover. Cleaning modes, because why have one way to clean when you can have 6? The Lefant M210 offers you 6 cleaning modes, including zigzag, spot, and edge cleaning. However, don't use zigzag mode on carpets unless you want to see it do the robot dance. The XIEBro HR101 keeps it simpler with 3 modes. It's like comparing a Swiss Army knife to a spork. Both useful, but one's got a bit more flair. Both vacuums are smart enough to connect to apps and even listen to your voice commands. The Lefant M210 works with the Lefant app and can be bossed around by Alexa and Google Assistant. Schedule it, adjust its suction, and even tell it where to go. Reviewers appreciated the Alexa integration and found the app helpful, though sometimes not user-friendly. The XIEBro HR101 uses the Tuya Smart app and also supports voice control. It's like having a tiny, obedient cleaning minion. But remember, XIEBro only likes 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not 5G. It's a bit picky like that. Nobody likes a clumsy vacuum, right? The Lefant M210 has upgraded Free Move Technology 2.0 with 6D anti-collision. It's like the James Bond of vacuums, dodging obstacles with style. Reviewers noted its ability to navigate around furniture effectively. The XIEBro HR101 has advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance. It can climb up to 15 degrees and cross door thresholds like it's training for the Robot Olympics. Both are pretty smart. So no worries about them falling down the stairs or getting stuck in a corner. Battery life, because no one wants their vacuum to die halfway through the job. The Lefant M210 offers up to 120 minutes in low suction mode. Reviewers generally found the battery life satisfactory, though some noted it varies with usage. The XIEBro HR101 gives you 100 minutes in quiet mode but drops to 60 minutes on max power. Reviewers have had mixed experiences, with some praising its efficiency and others noting it stops working suddenly. So if you're planning a marathon cleaning session, the Lefant might edge out just a bit. Overall, reviewers find the Lefant M210 to be a reliable, pet-friendly, and cost-effective option, though it has some limitations with its app and carpet cleaning. On the other hand, the XIEBro HR101 is praised for its strong suction, quiet operation, and effective cleaning, but has some concerns about durability and battery performance. So there you have it, folks. The Lefant M210 and the XIEBro HR101. Both are fantastic little robots with their own strengths and quirks. If you're on a budget and need a pet-friendly ninja, go for the Lefant M210. But if you're looking for a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo with a bit more oomph and don't mind spending a bit extra, the XIEBro HR101 is your pick. Either way, you can't go wrong. Just make sure to name your new robot friend. It's only polite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Stay smart and happy shopping.